In this video, you'll learn how to add a logo to your Ionos website. We'll go step by step, so by the end, your logo will be uploaded, positioned correctly, and saved inside your site's header. Even if you're new to the Ionos editor, just follow along and pause whenever you need to. First, make sure you're in the Ionos website editor with your site open. To start working with the logo, you need to access the header area of your page. Move your mouse slowly toward the very top of your website preview. As you hover over that top section, you'll notice that a larger area becomes highlighted. This is your header. The header is the section that usually appears at the top of every page and often contains your logo and navigation menu. Once you see that header area highlighted, click directly on it. That click tells the editor you want to work on the header settings, not just the content in the middle of the page. After you click, a settings panel or sidebar will open, usually on the side of the screen. This is where you can adjust different elements inside the header, including your logo. In the sidebar, look for the option labeled logo. It might appear as a tab, a section, or a button, depending on your version of the editor. Go ahead and click on the logo area to open its settings. This is where you'll be able to upload or change the image that will be used as your site's logo. Now it's time to upload your logo file. Inside the logo section, look for a button that says Replace, Browse, or something similar. Click that button to open your file picker. Navigate to where your logo is saved on your computer. If you have the option, choose a PNG file with a transparent background. A transparent PNG usually looks more professional because it blends seamlessly with your header's color or background image instead of sitting inside a white box. Once you've selected your logo file, confirm the upload. After a moment, your new logo should appear in the header preview. Take a look at how it sits next to your navigation menu or any other elements in the header. This is where you'll make adjustments to get the size and position just right. Inside the logo settings, you'll see options to adjust the size and sometimes the alignment or spacing. Use the size slider or width controls to scale the logo up or down. Aim for a size that is clearly visible but not overwhelming. The logo should support your header design, not dominate it. If there are alignment options, you can center it, left align it, or adjust the spacing so it lines up nicely with your menu items or header text. Take a moment to preview how it looks. If your header appears on multiple pages, it's worth clicking through a few pages in the editor to be sure the logo looks good everywhere, not just on the home page. When you're happy with the way your logo looks, don't forget the final step, save your changes. Look for the save or publish button in the editor and click it. This step makes sure your new logo is stored and visible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added your logo to your Ionos website, adjusted its size and position in the header, and saved your work so it appears across your site.